What is up, guys? It's Wayne from Fade to Black Vlogs. It is a Wednesday morning. So on Wednesday mornings, I usually head over to Green Bay. I had this account set up before I actually moved to Marshfield. It'll be like almost in June of this year, it'll be 4 years we lived in Marshfield. So I had this account set up. So I'll drive over to Green Bay to A&K Truckland and I will tint for them. One of my buddies used to tint for them, but he got so busy with flat glass, he asked me if I wanted to do it. And I said, yeah, you know, early on, I didn't have as much business and stuff going on as I do now. Luckily, thankfully, I'm blessed. But I like to tint for them. They're cool guys, nice place to tint in, so I don't mind driving. Now, this is why I call Window Tint on my other channel mobile. So with this channel, like I said, guys, I want to show a lot of behind the scenes stuff that you're not going to see on that channel. I want to keep that channel more technical, more installs, more tips and tricks about window tinting. This channel is going to be the baby channel behind the scenes of all of that. So I've been up since about 5:30, got up, got dressed and everything, got out of the house, grabbed what I needed. It was dark, all right? So I said, I'm going to wait a little while, get on the road and drive. Now it's finally brighter. So I've actually been on the road for a little bit over an hour. It's 7:15 right now. I probably got about another 45 minutes to go. One of the good things is that it's a straight shot. So it's a straight shot, straight drive. And I just cruise, listen to the radio, think about things what I got going on. They never really tell me exactly what they have, so when I get there, I don't know. But usually it's a lot of trucks. It's called A&K Truckland. They do a lot of trucks. They do bed accessories, hitches, plows, rims, tires. They do all that stuff over there. So usually it's a truck, you know, do a front mash, do a visor strip on it, something like that. Pretty chill, pretty simple. Another good thing about it is they do a lot of new trucks too. So I usually don't have a lot of old stuff. I usually have a lot of new stuff to work on. Everyone knows the new stuff is nice, clean, easy. So it works out really well. So I'm gonna keep driving. We're gonna get over there. We're gonna get to their shop and see what they got for the day. I am rolling up to A&K Truckland. Let's go inside and see what they got today to get faded. See what we got going on today. Get unloaded, get everything in there. This is how my setup is at A&K. I got my water bottles, got my stacker all unloaded. They got this glass wall here that I use, which is right next to the vehicle. Right here, so we can get this 4 done with a front match. Get what I need and get this thing knocked out. So I got done sitting over here at A&K Truck in Green Bay. You can see we're leaving the building now. Just jumping back on the road. I think I got there a little bit after 8. Right now it is 11:30. 4 sets of fronts and a visor strip in that time. Now what's cool is I just pull the trucks in. Got a little area where I can tint that. So where you saw those trucks sitting, that's the area I just pull the trucks in. So they got a lot of space to be able to get the trucks tinted. No issues with that. The other truck was over in the other room, so I had to just get my stuff ready and go over to the other room, which is not a big deal. But the one thing with tinting is sometimes you just never know how your day is gonna go. All right, so actually the black GMC brand new truck, I usually double cut when I tint, right? Like I said before, this is not going to be installation techniques. That's going to be over on my other channel. But usually I double cut when I install film. So what happened, I cut it and the tint must have shifted and I really didn't notice it. So when I went to finally lay the tint in, the tint was off. So, and when I double cut, I cut two pieces at once. So if one piece is messed up, the other piece is obviously going to be messed up. So I cut that piece, it messed up on me. So obviously that meant the other side was messed up. So I trashed both of those. I started again and then got the driver's side done. And then on the passenger side, I had a big scratch in the door on the bottom piece, and it was almost installed. The window was rolled up, it was ready to go. So then I noticed a big scratch on there, and honestly, I don't know how the scratch got in there. I saw it when I finally was doing my final squeegee. I saw a big scratch in it, and I was like, God dang it. So needless to say, I had two pieces, and I got another piece, got that one installed, and I got another piece. I had to scrap that one, and then finally install the last one. So actually, I had scrapped like 3 pieces of film. So I ate it on that one. It sucks, but it is what it is, man. Like I said, you just never know sometimes. And I might as well just fix it now instead of having him look at it days after this and then have to bring it back, and then I got to strip it and go through all the problem later on. So I noticed it now, you might as well just fix it now. If it's something I don't notice, then it is what it is. You just have to redo it. But since I noticed it and I saw it, it's best to just fix it. So man, this is something you got to deal with. And this is, like I said, why I want to have it, information and stuff like this on this channel, because this is going to be more of the real world stuff, man. It just is what it is. It happens. So I would have been out of there sooner, but you just got to deal with it and take it as it is and keep moving. So now I'm on the way to my previous job because a buddy of mine that works there, he wants me to go quote some windows inside of the company, inside of the warehouse, so they can block some of the sun from coming in on some equipment. So I got done with Green Bay. Now I'm gonna run over here to Appleton, and the hustle don't stop. So we'll see how that goes. So it never fails when you're trying to go someplace and you're trying to watch the clock. There was a semi truck flipped over on the interstate, so that puts me behind 15 so minutes. So I'm just trying to watch the clock because, like I said, if I can go and get some work done, nothing else is going on, I'm gonna run back and pick my kids up. It's just a lot of back and forth, but like I always said in another video, it is what it is, man. I try to do it as much as I can with the time that I have, but it's crazy because I'm going back to my old job that I worked at for 10 years, and I don't really come in here that often, but I got a buddy that wants me some flat glass windows. So it's been a while since I've been over here, but now I'm pulling up to the place, go in here and check something out. I'm probably not gonna vlog in here because I don't know what they got going on, so I won't do that. But now I'm pulling up to the place to go check him out, see what he wants to get done. Alright, so I went inside of Miller Electric, talked to my buddy, so I'm gonna quote some flat glass jobs for him. They got these windows that are actually facing to the west, and the sun comes in there and just blinds all the workers that are working right there on that wall. So we'll get those things faded out for them soon. We're looking at next week or so, so I'll get the film in and look at my calendar and get that ordered so we can go and knock that job out. Now, one of the things with flat glass is, flat glass usually, you know, it's on windows that people usually don't clean that often. So cleaning will be a big part of that. But like I said, it's not that big of a deal because it's in a shop, and it's not like in a home where people are always looking out. It's, you know, it's in a shop where it's like people are working, there's equipment and machines there. So it's not that big of a deal. All we want to do is get them things smoked out so they're not blinded all day standing there. So yeah, we'll get that done. And have a flat glass job for the year, first one. So now it is 12:47. I gotta jump on the highway because I gotta get back. My kids get out of school at 2:45, so we'll be rolling again. So let's get going, get back to Marshfield. So it is now 2:17. I am pulling it back up in Marshfield. It's a long day, man. Up at 5:30, in the car, running, driving, tinting, quoting. The hustle don't stop. But today's been a little bit different though. I haven't given out many quotes, but I do got to get back with a couple people on some different things though. But so the phone hasn't been blowing up. It's been a little chill today. Usually like Mondays and stuff like that, at the beginning of the week, it gets crazy because people want quotes and stuff like that, and they're trying to set their stuff up, seeing where they can get in. And thanks for watching this vlog. Just waiting for Fade to Black. I am back in my town. I'm gonna pick my kids up and we done for the day. So thanks for watching. We done with it.